10 drinks commonly consumed by longevity-focused populations. 1. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols that have been associated with various health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease, cancer prevention, and improved brain function. 2. Herbal tea. Herbal teas, such as chamomile, peppermint, or ginger tea, are caffeine-free and packed with beneficial compounds, and they can promote relaxation, aid digestion, and provide antioxidant benefits. 3. Water. Hydration is essential for overall health and longevity, and drinking an adequate amount of water each day helps maintain bodily functions, supports digestion, and keeps the body hydrated and functioning optimally. 4. Matcha. Matcha is a powdered form of green tea that provides a concentrated dose of antioxidants, and it is known for its potential to boost metabolism, enhance focus, and provide a calm energy boost. 5. Red wine, in moderation. Moderate consumption of red wine has been associated with certain health benefits due to its antioxidant content, particularly resveratrol, and it may support heart health and have anti-aging properties. 6. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea beverage that contains beneficial probiotics, and it supports gut health, aids digestion, and may have antioxidant properties. 7. Fresh fruit and vegetable juices. Longevity-focused populations often consume freshly squeezed juices from a variety of fruits and vegetables, and these juices are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, promoting overall health and vitality. 8. Soy milk. Soy milk, made from soybeans, is a popular alternative to dairy milk, and it is rich in protein, essential fatty acids, and isoflavones, which have been linked to various health benefits, including heart health and hormonal balance. 9. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural hydrating beverage that is packed with electrolytes and minerals, and it provides a refreshing and nutritious way to stay hydrated and replenish essential nutrients. 10. Herbal infusions. Longevity-focused populations often consume herbal infusions, such as ginseng or ginkgo biloba tea, and these infusions are believed to have various health benefits, including improved cognitive function and increased vitality. 11. Bone broth. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues, and it is rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals that support joint health, gut health, and overall immunity. 12. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is known for its vibrant red color and tart flavor, and it is packed with antioxidants and has been linked to lowering blood pressure, improving heart health, and reducing oxidative stress. 13. Fresh vegetable smoothies. Longevity-focused individuals often include fresh vegetable smoothies in their daily routine, and these smoothies are packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, supporting overall health and vitality. 14. Golden milk, turmeric latte. Golden milk is a warm beverage made with turmeric, ginger, black pepper, and a milk of your choice, and it is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties and may aid in digestion and promote overall well-being. 15. Herbal tonics. Herbal tonics, such as traditional Chinese herbal formulas or adaptogenic blends, are popular among longevity-focused individuals. These tonics often contain a combination of herbs known for their balancing and rejuvenating properties. It's important to remember that while certain beverages are associated with health benefits, overall lifestyle factors, including a balanced diet, physical activity, stress management, and social connections, contribute to longevity. Individual preferences and tolerances may vary, so it's important to listen to your body and make choices that align with your specific needs and goals. Subscribe now and start mastering your mind today. Thanks for watching.